is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy. I've won billions of dollars in federal government contracts. I've launched, led, and sold multiple small businesses in the federal government contracting industry. And I'm here to tell you that artificial intelligence is a transformative technology in our market space. In fact, I'm going to go as far as saying this. If you're not effective and efficient using artificial intelligence to write your proposals, then you are on your way out of business. That is a fact, because artificial intelligence, when used properly, gives you such an incredible competitive advantage. It can literally 10x your proposal throughput, and it can literally 10x your quality of bid. I created a case study scenario to demonstrate the full potential of artificial intelligence, but I also try to highlight what can happen if you don't use it effectively. So let's get started with this scenario. In my case study, I created a situation that all small business owners are in. We're bidding on a large prime contract with an organization that we're not as familiar with as what we'd want to be. Well, in this particular case, what we're doing is we're bidding on a large set aside for NAVC-04. The main part of that service is going to be project management support services. Well, a major component of that RFP is to provide risk management support services to PEO ships, which is an office within NAVC-04. Now, I don't have a clue about either of these organizations. So, and I think that really helps out with this scenario too. So I'm really 100% dependent upon artificial intelligence for doing everything here. So what I did is I created a prompt. It took me about 3 minutes, and here it is. Basically, it says, write a 3-page proposal section describing our bid team's risk management solution for PEO ships. And this is what I got. I got an extremely well-written, solid solution. Here, let me read a couple lines of this thing. Our risk management methodology is structured to provide thorough coverage and deliver measurable results. This 5-page approach ensures a systemic and effective implementation of risk management practices. And then it lists, phase 1 through phase 5. It reads really well. It highlights some team qualifications. It included an implementation plan and timeline, reporting and communication, to include deliverables, quality assurance. It even included quality assurance. Quality is paramount when it comes to bidding with the federal government. Then we also have our value proposition of our solution and our competitive differentiators that make us special within the competitive field. It what makes us stand out. So how did we do? Again, this is a well-written, reasonable proposal, and it sucks. It sucks. It's going to score incredibly low. A lot of proposal writers, a lot of bid teams are going to see this, and it's going to be well-written, it's very logical, and they're going to go with it. And they're going to lose. They're going to lose because this 3-page proposal section doesn't do what's necessary to win. It's not. But there's going to be a ton of these kind of proposals written using AI. AI cannot effectively write your proposals. But this is how you can use AI to win and win consistently. You don't want AI to write your proposal section. You want it to support your proposal writing process. You want it to do things that you know that needs to be done in a proposal. So this took me 30 minutes by 3 minutes. 30 minutes. And I will say this is as solid as any 3 pages I've ever written in my federal government contracting career. 30 minutes. And again, I have zero familiarity with NAVC-04 or PEO ships. So I'm doing this in the blind. The way I did it is I know that I have to demonstrate understanding. So the way I do that in my proposal writing process is the first paragraph is always to demonstrate your understanding of the customer, their organization, their mission, their challenges, their opportunities, their hot buttons, and their culture. If you don't do that, you're never going to win. So let's take a look at how well it provided the content that I needed to demonstrate our understanding of NAVC-04 and the importance of our support to the PEO mission. NAVC-04, the Industrial Operations Directorate, is the backbone of the U.S. Navy's fleet maintenance and modernization efforts. Its mission is critical to ensuring that the Navy's ships and submarines are not only operationally ready, but also capable of meeting the evolving demands of modern maritime warfare. Our team deeply understands the significance of NAVC-04's role in sustaining naval superiority and the immense responsibility carried by its dedicated personnel. By meticulously maintaining and upgrading the fleet, NAVC-04 enables the Navy to project power globally, protect vital sea lanes, and support national defense objectives. Our proposal is designed with a profound respect for the expertise and commitment of NAVC-04's team, ensuring that our project management support services will seamlessly integrate with their operations. We are committed to enhancing NAVC-04's mission effectiveness, honoring the crucial work that they do to safeguard our nation's security and maritime dominance. Again, that's about as solid as an introductory paragraph as I have ever written, and I don't know a single iota about NAVC-04. Nothing about them. Through a series of about 4 or 5 prompts, get this level of detail. My 5th prompt, say, hey, this is well written, but I want it to be more flattering to the source selection board members who are going to be reading and scoring this. I want to make them feel special, because flattering never hurts. Now, let's compare that to the demonstration of understanding here. None. Nada. Not a bit. For the prompt to provide our solution, again, it does a great job. Comprehensive risk ID, an assessment, mitigation strategy, continuous monitoring, and dynamic risk register. Plus, it highlighted one of our credentials. I asked for a call-out box. I asked it to provide me 10 call-out boxes with quotes, and this is what it provided me. By proactively identifying and mitigating risk, organizations can achieve a 20 to 40% improvement in project success rates. I wanted to show that we get it. We understand the importance of it. We also cite professional organizations, Project Management Institute, and the Government Accountability Office in their reports identifying issues, areas for improvement. So it shows that we really did our due diligence and that we provided a no-kidding solution that addresses it. I asked it to provide a summary of our project manager that relates to the requirements that we have to perform, and it nails it here. And then this right here is the home run. I asked it for a features and benefits table. Features of our solution, the benefits to the government, supporting documentation to show that it's a benefit, and then proof points that we can deliver. So let's take a look at the first one. Feature of our solution is comprehensive risk identification assessment. Early identification and prioritization of risk to reduce unexpected issues by 30%, improving project predictability. The supporting statement is effective risk management is crucial for project success, reducing unexpected costs and delays by up to 30%. That's coming from the Project Management Institute. And here's a proof point. Our ISO 9001 certification audit results zero non-compliance with risk management standards. This 3 pages, again, is as solid as anything I've ever written, and I didn't even write it. It took me 30 minutes. For me to have done this amount of research, it would have taken me 1 to 2 man weeks to do. In this case study, you can either get what I would consider a winning 3 pages of proposal content if you use artificial intelligence properly, or save 27 minutes and get something that reads well, but it's going to score absolutely terribly.